Welcome to Cars Trends, your ultimate destination for the latest updates and reviews on the world of automobiles. Today, we're thrilled to introduce you to the most anticipated and revolutionary car of 2025, the Lexus LFA concept. This extraordinary vehicle is the culmination of Lexus' unwavering passion for innovation, design, and performance. As we delve into the details of this remarkable car, you'll discover how Lexus has redefined the boundaries of automotive engineering, creating a machine that's as much a work of art as it is a beast on the track. Design and aerodynamics. The Lexus LFA concept is a masterclass in design, with sleek lines, aggressive curves, and a low-slung stance that exudes pure performance. The car's bodywork is crafted from advanced materials, including carbon fiber and lightweight alloys, which provide exceptional strength-to-weight ratio. The LFA concept's design is heavily influenced by Lexus' rich heritage in motorsport, with a prominent front splitter, air curtains, and a massive rear wing that generates incredible downforce. The car's aerodynamic package is designed to optimize airflow, reduce drag, and provide exceptional handling and stability. Powertrain and performance. The Lexus LFA concept is powered by a revolutionary 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, which produces an astonishing 1,200 horsepower and 900 pound-feet of torque. This incredible power plant is paired with an advanced electric motor, which provides an additional 200 horsepower and 150 pound-feet of torque. The LFA concept's powertrain is mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, which provides lightning-fast gear shifts and exceptional responsiveness. The car's advanced all-wheel drive system features torque vectoring, which enables the LFA concept to deliver incredible agility and handling. Interior and features. Step inside the Lexus LFA concept, and you'll be greeted by a sumptuous interior that showcases the finest materials and cutting-edge technology. The car's dashboard, door panels, and center console are all crafted from premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber. The LFA concept's interior features a range of innovative technologies, including a stunning 12.3-inch touchscreen display, a digital instrument cluster, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. The car's seats are upholstered in the finest leather and feature intricate stitching, which adds a touch of luxury and sophistication. Safety and driver assistance. The Lexus LFA concept features a range of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The car's advanced driver assistance systems are designed to provide exceptional safety and convenience, both on and off the track. Sustainability and environmental impact. The Lexus LFA concept is not only a stunning work of art but also a testament to the company's commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. The car's advanced powertrain features a range of innovative technologies, including regenerative braking, electric torque vectoring, and advanced energy recovery systems. The LFA concept's sustainable design extends to its production process, which features a range of eco-friendly materials and manufacturing techniques. Lexus has also implemented a range of sustainable manufacturing practices, including the use of renewable energy sources and reduced water consumption. Conclusion. The Lexus LFA concept is a truly remarkable car that showcases the company's unwavering passion for innovation, design, and performance. With its stunning design, revolutionary